10 years ago, we set out to answer a simple question. How do you make truly great filter coffee at home? Not just good coffee, but the kind of coffee that brings out the best in every bean, brewed exactly as it should be. It started with the grind control that combined fresh grinding and brewing into one seamless machine that proved really popular. Then, in 2018, came the Precision Brewer, a breakthrough in home brewing trusted and endorsed by the Specialty Coffee Association and even used at professional cup tasting championships.
It gave coffee lovers control over every variable, so they could unlock the hidden depth and potential of their beans. Control is great, but it shouldn't come at the cost of simplicity, so we set out to make things easier. That's how the Luxe Brewer was born.
The goal was to simplify the process for our consumers and make it accessible to everyone. One touch. That's all it takes. The Luxe Brewer gives you 3 intuitive options: brew, cold brew, and custom. No complicated menus, no unnecessary steps, just a clean, user-friendly interface that lets you focus on what matters: enjoying a better cup of coffee.
Want a perfectly balanced brew? The SCA sets brewing standards for extraction and temperature to ensure the highest quality in every cup. The Luxe Brewer follows these precise parameters carried over from the same technology used in the Precision Brewer.
Most brewers rely on gravity alone. The Luxe Brewer is different. With PID temperature control and a vibration pump, it delivers stable heat and adjustable flow rates. Few home brewers do both, and this combination ensures exceptional extraction, whether you're after a bright, complex cup or a rich, full-body brew.
Then there's cold brew, a growing trend we love as much as everyone else. But not just any cold brew. The Luxe Brewer's unique drip-stop valve starts the authentic cold steeping process from ambient. Unlike most other brewers, there's no heat. When you start with ambient water, different flavor compounds are developed, leading to lower acidity and a more balanced cup of cold brew.
Third Wave Specialty Coffee is all about the details, from the specialty beans through to the brewing process. That's why we teamed up with leading experts to dig deeper into what really affects flavour, and they found something surprising. It turns out, basket-shaped helps get the most out of your beans. The conical filter brings out the bright berry and citrus notes, while the flat-bodied filter enhances sweet, floral and chocolate tones for a fuller-bodied brew. Traditional machines only offer one style, but the Luxe Brewer gives you both. Swap the basket, transform the taste. It's that simple.
The Luxe Brewer makes great tasting coffee easy, but like all superior coffee machines, it still gives you the freedom to get under the hood and personalize. Custom mode lets you tweak bloom time and bloom volume, temperature and flow rate to bring out the very best in your beans.
Of course, coffee isn't just about how it's brewed. It's about how it fits into your life. That's why the Luxe Brewer has been designed with the smaller details in mind. A removable water tank makes refilling easy, while a built-in water filter ensures every cup is pure.
And when it comes to keeping coffee temperature hot, you've got options. The thermal carafe locks in heat, keeping coffee above 150 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 4 hours. Prefer glass? The heating plate holds your brew at 175 degrees Fahrenheit with an adjustable timer from 30 minutes up to 6 hours. Whichever you choose, your coffee stays hot, fresh, and ready when you are.
Then there's the design, with culinary-inspired colours to complement our signature Luxe colour range and a timeless form and function that feels just as premium as the coffee it makes.
Coffee is one of life's simple pleasures. Your morning ritual, a quiet pause, a reason to connect with family and friends. The Luxe Brewer brings everything we know about great coffee to your fingertips. No fuss, no second guessing, just one touch and you're there.